my dear friends. This is ANIK Chowdhury and I welcome you all to your favorite YouTube channel, Level Up For You. Friends, as the technology is continuously growing, right, and real privacy is becoming a very big issue. Because as the world is changing and the devices are taking over, now spying on anyone is easier than ever. And that's because of hidden cameras. And I'm not at all suggesting that all the people in the world are being spied, and I'm not at all saying that traditional spying is not around here. But now, you need not worry from these cameras, because now you are totally secure. How? Because now your channel Level Up For You will tell you how to make out if someone is spying on you. And nowadays, hidden cameras is used for good purpose as well as the bad purpose. And the good purpose, we know that it's very helpful. But when it comes to bad purpose, it can be extremely dangerous and can destroy one's life. And we don't want ourselves or our loved ones to be stuck in such problems, right? This is why we need some awareness to be safe and secure from these hidden cameras. And this is why in this video, we'll see what precautions we should take towards hidden cameras. So stay tuned and let's start. Spy cameras. These cameras cost as well as the size has become so small that nowadays it can be kept anywhere, including your hair. Yeah, it will be very difficult if a spy or a hidden camera is kept in your hair. Then it will be very hard to spot, right? Because it's full black. And first, those webcams were used, which are in our PCs and laptops, which have an LED light at the sides, and when we on that webcam, the LED light will blink. This is why if that webcam is used, then that LED light will show the victim that it's on, and he will easily find that. But when hidden cameras came into picture, the real danger came. Their size is so small that it's quite impossible to see them using our naked eyes. But there are two ways in which we can find out a hidden camera. The first is to use radio frequency, and the second is to use light frequency. First, the radio frequency will give a very accurate result. But the problem is that many devices transmit radio frequencies. This is why for a casual user, radio frequency not a good choice. But when it comes to light frequency, it can be a very useful one, because the special lens used in hidden cameras reflect some light. This is why there will be a small reflection, and using that reflection only you can find out the location of the hidden camera. And to find this, there are many apps in the mobile as well. First is the Hidden Camera Detector app, which is for iPhone, which costs $5. But the reviews from the people who bought that app is not very nice. And there is also a free app, Glint Finder, which also has a mixed review. But do you know that why do they have so much mixed reviews? Because they have one default, and that fault is that the mobile's camera or the mobile should be very close to the hidden camera. That's about 2 to 3 feet, and the angle of the camera or the mobile should be just in front of the lens of the hidden camera. Then only it can detect that using the light frequency, as I told you. And that only is one of the biggest fault. And other camera detectors can detect it from a very far away. And the hidden camera detector devices cost from $20 to $300. But the detection ability is about just the same. This is why you should not spend so much money. But before you spend any of your money, there is even a DIY version of hidden camera detector device. And to make that, you have to first take one empty toilet paper tube or any tube, and you have to cut 2 squares of cellophane paper and close one opening of that tube with cellophane paper, tape it, and then take a flashlight. There is one section in the flashlight where the light comes out. Close that with another cellophane paper, then tape it. Then the tube was there. Keep it in your eye and observe the places very carefully, and keep your flashlight, and if you see anywhere there is a white reflection, then you can make out that there is a hidden camera there. And that was the DIY version of hidden cameras. Despite hiding hidden cameras in TVs or clocks, they are even hidden in mirrors. Mirrors, really, it can be so easily spottable. But they have invented one more thing to hide that. That is a two-way glass, which is very common. You might know. So what happens in this? There is a camera at the back side of the mirror, and we are at the front of the mirror, and we can't see the camera. We can see only our reflection, but the camera can see us. But there is one more way to detect whether a mirror is one way or two way, means real or fake for us. First, if think this is a mirror, if we keep our fingernail, there will be a reflection of our fingernail, but in a real mirror there will be a gap. But in a two-way glass, if we keep our fingernail will be attached, means we can detect that this is a two-way glass, and it is a high chance that somebody or something is spying on you from the back side of the mirror. And to be safe from them, you can just keep a blanket or any opaque cloth on that so that it doesn't see anything, and it will become useless. And despite studying for a very long time on how to detect hidden cameras, I didn't find any single way that is 100% accurate. So I will just say that there are many facilities and devices. We can try our best to find hidden cameras. And I will only say that be safe and secure from these hidden cameras and take proper precautions. With these lines, I would like to end today's video. So if you have liked today's amazing topic, then give us a like and subscribe our channel. And for proper updates, press the bell icon too. And give your valuable comments in the comment section. So it's all for today. Till then, goodbye.